Okay, once you have complete the assembly model for the roller view, so now I'm going to show you how we create the exploded view. So first, okay, here, the bar here is the component you select for the first exploded step. Okay, first here I will remove the screw first. If you have any fastener component, please you must remove it first. So first I will remove these 4 screw at bottom here. Okay, without pressing the key, the control key also, you're able to select all the component in once. So here you will see I select 4 screw here. Then first I will, okay, it will go up like this. Okay, then must press done. So after I remove the screw, I'm going to remove the base first. Okay, then click done. Okay, then I will remove one side. Okay, I will select this side first. I will remove. Okay, so for this part here, okay, I cannot, because I haven't clicked done, then I select these components, so it will just go like this. So I delete this part first. So you see, you need to click done. Then step 4, I'm going to select this part here. Okay, I'll move together here. Then click done, select the bush. Okay, the distance don't be too far, and then you need to make sure the distance can see all the component like in a good exploded stage. Okay, but in this case here, you can always go back to the step, then you can check if you find out the distance is not enough. You see, you can move. Step 5, move it further. Okay, then click done. Click on this. I think I need to further edit my step. Because the shaft is too long. The shaft is too long. So a good exploded step, you can see all the part like separating from each other like this. Okay, so this part I'm going to remove. Okay, the step 3 here, you see the same thing happens. I accidentally select the screw without click done. So this part I'm going to move upwards here, then click done. I will select the screw together with the bracket. Done. Okay, so my exploded view for the roller view is done. So you can go under here, exploded view 1, you can check collapse, expo, and you can check for the animation. So you can see how it is. Okay, this is the exploded view for the roller view.